I'm Ashley, and today I'm going to be getting my hair topper ready and then integrating my hair into this top secret topper from UniWigs. Top secret is a silk top topper. That means that this whole area that you see right here is hand tied into a silk liner that creates a very realistic scalp appearance. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so before putting this on my head, I'm gonna open the two side clips. Personal preference, some people leave all their clips open, some people leave all of their clips closed. It's just how I'm gonna do it. So I open the first two, I flip the topper to the back of my head. Oh, and by the way, nice feature, Top Secret has a comb here instead of a clip, which I love. Okay, now I need a mirror. And then I would open up the other clips and put them in the space, into the right place. I'm not gonna do all of them right now because I'm not, as I said, leaving the house. Oh, I love the mousse brown color. I mean, I have very ashy bio hair, but I feel like I can get away with mousse brown because of the dimension. And that's it. And then pull my bio hair through like that. So just taking a makeup palette, just grab some dark shadow that's similar in color and just apply it right in that transition area. And that's it. So easy. And we're ready to head out the door. So this is Top Secret. If you are looking for something that you can wear right out of the box, this is also a really good option because I know back in the day, not back in the day, there are a lot of creators, content creators, hair wig wearers, find your words, Ashley, wearers of toppers who say, you know, you gotta customize your pieces, you gotta customize your pieces, it's the only way to make it feel like you. But I've never once customized a piece. I don't have a hair stylist around here whom I can trust with my hair. So not my expensive toppers anyway. And so I just want something that I can wear out of the box. And UniWigs has really been taking that feedback from their customers and they've been starting to create pieces that do just that. They serve the need of those who just want out of the box wearability. And clearly Top Secret is one of those now. I mean, this is a fantastic cut. It's so wearable. It's so cute. The density, they say 130. I feel like it's just perfect. I really love this one.